Hi everyone, let's make some passion fruit jelly. We've all seen or tasted passion fruit at some point, and there's two main varieties, yellow and purple, and this is obviously the purple variety. When you're selecting your passion fruit, you may look at these and say, oh, these are kind of wrinkly, I don't want to get these, they look old, but these are the ones you actually want to get. This means that they're fully ripe and the flavors are actually starting to intensify. Now the easiest way that I've found to open these is just take a pair of scissors and cut the top right off. Then you'll be rewarded with these bright yellow, sweet, tart little pods with the seeds on the inside. This is what you're looking for. This is the best passion fruit you can get. Then just take a spoon and scoop out all the insides into a bowl. Now let me show you how easy it is to make passion fruit jelly. Add our passion fruit with the seeds to a pot. Add the water, kosher salt, and the sugar. Next thing is to bring everything up to a simmer, and then we're going to whisk in our pectin. I like my passion fruit jelly a touch loose, but if you want to make it stiffer, you can just add more pectin than what the recipe calls for. Bring this up to a simmer, and then the heat and the acid from the passion fruit are going to activate the pectin and make it thick. This recipe yields about 3 cups, and for my family, it lasts about 1 month until we need to make a new batch. I like to store this in small jars and go through the whole canning process, but it's not necessary if you just keep it in the fridge. But here's the link to a canning video, and if you want me to make one, just leave me a comment. This is the next day, once the passion fruit jelly has cooled down completely. Now I know that this is canned properly because I'm going to try to take the lid off right here with my hands, and it's not coming off, it's really stuck on. So I'm just going to use a spoon to pry the lid off, and it's going to make a little pop once I do that, and now it comes on and off easily. That's how you know it's properly canned. You might have been wondering why I left the seeds in, but for me, this is the easiest way to identify a handmade product versus store-bought product. And this is how I like my passion fruit jelly. It's soft but still has texture, and with the seeds it has a nice crunch to it. Now that our passion fruit jelly is done, let's make a really simple breakfast, and just toasted ciabatta with ricotta, and then I just put the passion fruit jelly on top. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop me a comment if there's any videos you'd like to see me make. See you next time.